Here is a complete guide for registering and setting up Hong Leong Bank online and mobile banking. So let's get started. First of all, you must be an active retail customer of Hong Leong Bank Berhad or Hong Leong Islamic Bank. Ensure your mobile number is updated for TAC, transaction authorization code via SMS. Then all you have to do is navigate to Hong Leong official website. Once you are in the official website, there you will get to see the sign up or login section available. Now all you have to do is tap on the register for online banking button available there, and you will be asked for your Hong Leong ID and passcode. All you have to do is enter the asked information and tap on the next button available there, and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.